I'm Dr. Ronald Brancaccio, a dermatologist at SINY. I'm going to talk to you about patch testing. Eczema or dermatitis is a common skin condition affecting millions of people of all ages. There are different kinds of eczema, some of which are more easily diagnosed and treated than others. One of the most important ways to try to find out the cause of your eczema is the use of patch testing. This is the standard to determine if you have a contact allergy to something applied to the skin. This procedure, which is routinely done in our office, involves taping the suspected allergens on the back and allowing the skin to react over the course of 2 to 4 days. There are no needles involved as with allergy testing for foods, pollens, and pets, and we do not do this type of testing. When we find a positive test, we can supply a list of skincare products that are safe and do not contain the causative allergen. Our dermatologists are experts in patch testing, and it is rewarding how often this procedure has helped our patients find the cause of their eczema.